there, welcome to another time with Teacher Princess. I'm happy to do this again with you. I missed you and I know you missed me too. Now, in today's lesson, we're going to continue the second part of the series we started last week, where we were learning the words and opposite in Igbo. But before we get into today's class, I want you to like, share, subscribe if you haven't done so. Send this video to your family, your friends, and everyone around you. And not just that, remember that we have opened the registrations for those who want to have group classes this Easter holiday. Don't forget to jump into this. This is an opportunity you don't want to miss. It's just 20,000 naira for the entire family. What that means is that if you have a family of 3 children, 2 children, 4 children, even 5 children, they can learn Igbo together. Please note that this class is just for children, no adults, please. If you want your class as an adult, book a personal specialized session for yourself. Share this to everyone and let them know that something good is happening. We're going to learn Igbo in a systematic manner. You're going to have opportunities to ask questions and you're going to receive feedback. Now, let's get to our class. Okay, so I remember us asking this question at the end. Did you get your questions right last week? Let's get into the questions for this week, or rather the lesson for this week before the question. So here we have Ocha. Ocha here is white. And we have the opposite of Ocha would be Oji, and Oji is black. So we have Ocha and we also have Oji. All right. Next, we have Oburibu, trying to describe a fat person. We're saying he is fat. Oburibu. And then for he is slim, we are saying Ode gere gere. He is slim. Ode gere gere. Say it with me again. Oburibu. And then say Ode gere gere. Well done. This one we have Ihe. Ihe means light. And then the next we have is Ochichiri. Ochichiri here means darkness. Say it with me again. Ihe. Ochichiri again. Ihe. Ochichiri. Obaro chichiri. It's dark. Okay. Next we have Mepe. To mepe is to open. Mepe, open. Mechie, close. Mepe, open. Mechie, close. This girl mepes the door. On a mepozo. She's opening, and the other time she's now closing. Mepe, mechie. Okay? The next we will have will be to be hardworking and to be lazy. To be hardworking is ịrụsi ọrụ ike. Say with me, ịrụsi ọrụ ike. The other one that is the opposite is ịdị umengwụ, to be lazy. Say it again, ịdị umengwụ, to be lazy. So I can see in the picture, this girl, the first person, ọ na-arụsi ọrụ ike. Say, ọ na-arụsi ọrụ ike. She is hardworking. And the other person that is sleeping, we can say, ọ dị umengwụ. Say with me, ọ dị umengwụ. We have it right here. Ịrụsi ọrụ ike and ịdị umengwụ. Good job. Well done. The next is difficult and easy. How do we say something is difficult? We'll say ọ hịara arụ. Again, ọ hịara arụ. And the next would be, to be easy, is ọ dị mfe. Again, ọ dị mfe. It's actually difficult to carry this big weight, right? But it's easy to carry this feather, to lift it up. So we can say for the person, the first person will say ọ hịara arụ. And the second person will say ọ dị mfe. It is easy. Okay, it's time for you to have your assessment. Match the correct words to the correct photos. Match the words to the correct pictures. If you don't know the answer, please go back to the video, pause, and get the answers, and then come back and do it, all right? If you know it, then take a moment to pause the video, look at the options, match it and pair them correctly, and ask any adult around you if you're right. The first we have is Oji and Ocha. Kedu nke di oji? Kedu nke di ocha? Which one is oji? Which one is ocha? Match. The next we have is oburibu. Which one is oburibu? Which one is odegeregere? Match. And the next we will have is mepe and mechie. Which one is mepe? Which one is mechie? If you got your answers right, clap for yourself. Good. Now let's get to the next one. The next one we also have to match again. Which one shows ohiarahu? Match. And which one shows odinfe? Match. Ohiarahu and odinfe. Match it to the correct pictures. Okay? Which one shows irusiorike? Match. And which one shows idi umengu? Match. Make sure that your answers are correct. The next is inhe. Which one shows ihe? Which one shows ochichiri? Match. If you know the answers and you got it right, this is high five for you. Again. But if you don't get it, or if you didn't get it right, rather, please scroll back and watch the video again. Like, share, subscribe, and do all those wonderful things that we always like you to do.
How was that? Did you get your answers correctly? Don't forget that I'm always rooting for you, and I want you to use these words that you have learned today as frequently as possible. If you want to have opportunities to make more sentences, ask questions, create scenarios, and do all those wonderful things we always do in class, and you want to learn in a fun manner, then you should be coming to our classes. Register for this Easter holiday group classes, or book a personal session for yourself or for your children or for your siblings or whosoever it's easy you want to book it for. All right, please, I am expecting you to continue speaking Igbo throughout this week. I'm gonna see you again in the next lesson, but till I come your way next time, nondo no fuma na sokwani Igbo maka na gini Igbo amaka. Ngwanu kodi.